beautiful people, how are you doing? Good morning, afternoon, night, evening, whenever you're watching this. I am so excited to announce that I am collaborating with Equal Tools. They have this campaign called Make Life Happen, which is essentially curators coming out with their own boxes each month with a different theme that all fall under the category Make Life Happen. You know, kind of aim to inspire us to do the things that we want to do in the year 2018. So, for the month of June, I curated my own box with Equal Tools and that I'm so excited to share with you guys and like just show you guys what's in the box. The theme is obviously travel themed, which is perfect for me because if you've been following me for a while, you would know that I recently studied abroad in Spain, in Madrid, and it was the best time of my life. I went to so many different countries while I was studying abroad, and this really just hits home for me. I'm all about traveling light, only bringing the things that you need to bring. But yeah, on the cover, you see the world is like right there, all in different colors and everything. So cute. And it says right here in the front, lattes? No. Handbags? Mm-mm. Diamonds? No. Adventures are forever. That's right. That's what we all about. So for this video, I wanted to show you guys my go-to travel look. It tends to change a bit like with outfits and like maybe my hair, but the makeup is always the same. I try to keep it really simple. I used the items that are in this box to create this look, and you can also use it to create way more glam looks. I created a way more glam, bronzy, glowy, sun-kissed look with freckles for Equal Tools' YouTube channel, so if you guys want to watch that, I will put it up so you guys can go straight to that video if you want to have a more glam makeup idea. So before I show you guys what's in this box, I really just wanted to say thank you. You guys don't understand how much your guys' support means to me. You guys are the reason why I get to have opportunities like this, and they don't come often, so I'm just really thankful that Equal Tools wants to work with me. I'm thankful for all of you guys, and I'm just so happy that I have this box and that I get to share it with you guys. So if you want a box of your own, I will put it down below so you guys can go straight to equaltools.com and see it for yourself, but I'm going to show it to you right now before we hop in. So you open it and it says a little step may be the beginning of a great journey. True. The first thing you see when you open this box is a card of me. That's me, people. Guys, I'm freaking out. That's me right there in my overalls, looking happy as ever. I'm gonna show you guys what you can find in this fun box of travel items. So first thing I picked up was this Perfecting Cushion Blender. It's made of plant-based materials, so it's super soft when you get it wet, and it's really nice to apply your makeup. Next thing in this box is this Equal Tools shower cap, and honestly this is great for days when you just like don't even want to wash your hair. When you're traveling, it's hard to wash your hair every day, okay, I've been there. Dry shampoo is my best friend, and shower caps. So this is really useful to have too. Other brushes you can find in this box is this eye enhancing set. So you have 2 brushes, but it's technically 4. And this is super great if you don't want to carry that many brushes with you. And if you're thinking, oh, 4 brushes, but like what if I want to use different colors? Baby, I got you. These are the Equal Tools Makeup Brush Cleansing Cloths. These are super convenient if you like I said before, use one of those ends to like add like, let's say like a dark brown, but then you're like, ooh, I want to use this to add a gold color. You just use this cloth, like wipe your brush on it, it cleans it, and then you could add a different color. Another brush you can find is this blending and bronzing brush. This is a dual fiber brush, and what I really love about this is that you can use cream-based blushes or bronzers, or you could use something more powder-based on the go style kit. So there are more brushes that come in this box. There are a ton, and it also comes with this like little carrying case, so you could like easily put these like in your carrying case, put them in your handbag, in your luggage. And last brush you can find in this box is the Bronze Buki, which is one of my favorites because it's so like fluffy and soft, and it just makes me feel happy when I rub it all over my face. And don't think that's just Equal Tools in this box. You can find other brands as well. One of them is Sunbum. This is their sunscreen and it's SPF 50. What I really love about this is that when I do apply it, it doesn't make my face feel greasy, which is a huge pet peeve of mine when I do apply sunscreen, and my face is still soft enough to apply makeup. So this is a really good sunscreen because you do want to protect your skin if you're traveling and walking everywhere. Next thing is this Sunbum 3-in-1 leave-in treatment, and this is really great if your hair's not feeling the best when you're going place to place and you're just like, wow, my hair is dry. It is dying. What should I do? Here's a 3-in-1 leave-in treatment, and hopefully it saves your life. Something you can also find is this waterproof phone case. So if you're going to the beach or anywhere that there's water, you can just put your phone in here, or honestly anything. You can put credit cards, keys, things that you just don't want to get wet. And last thing, which I think is so cute, it comes with this little luggage tag and it has the same design as the box. I really want to thank EcoTools and especially you guys for making this happen. That's like enough talking. I feel like I talk so much in my intros. Sorry. With that being said, let's hop in and see this makeup. Alright guys, so to start off this easy breezy beautiful makeup tutorial, I'm going to start off by adding sunscreen to my face. Sunscreen is definitely one of my must-haves when I'm traveling. You want to protect your skin from those harmful rays, homegirl. Even if I'm gonna be like on a plane like all day, or if I'm gonna be in a car all day, like it's just always nice to have sunscreen on because you know, you never know when the sun's gonna attack you. After sunscreen, I'm gonna go ahead right in with this concealer. This one's by Kat Von D, and I'm just gonna dot that all over my face. Wherever my trouble spots are, I definitely have a lot of those. As you can see, I'm breaking out, okay? People always say, oh my god, Amanda, your skin is so great. What do you do to it? And I'm like, guys, I'm human too. I get breakouts, okay? And then I'm gonna go in with this sponge that you can find in the box, blending it all around my face. And honestly, like when you have a full coverage concealer, like you don't even need foundation sometimes, because if you just cover up the things you need to get covered and blend it out, then homegirl, you are good. I like to go like this in a little dabbing motion, just patting it, having fun. I like to go like this and make sure this concealer gets soaked in so it actually looks like my own skin. I mean, obviously like it looks like I'm wearing makeup, but you get what I mean, right? Now it's time to set the concealer, because if I leave it like this, my face is going to get so oily. And I'm gonna be using this Kat Von D translucent loose powder. I'm just gonna add some right here, serving it. I'm gonna be grabbing this other EcoTools sponge, which sadly is not in the box, but you can buy it separately. The perfect shape to set your under eye area. I will set my acne with a sponge, I'll set my under eye area, and then when I'm kind of done with like the areas I want to set with my sponge, I'll go in with a small powder brush. This one you can find in the box. I love it because it's so small, it's tiny, so it's like the perfect size to like, you know, I'm like holding it so many different ways. I'm even adding powder to places that don't even have concealer, and I'm also going to use this brush to blend out the powder underneath my eye. Do you guys ever do weird faces when you like set your makeup? I sometimes do, I sometimes don't. It really just depends on my mood. Sometimes I'm like, and then other times I'm just so serious when I'm setting. Okay, afterwards I'm gonna add some color back to my face. This is the Too Faced Dark Soleil bronzer. I really like it, and it smells like chocolate. Who doesn't like that? I'm grabbing the big bronze Buki that comes in the box, and I love it because it's so fat and fluffy. It's very, very subtle the way it applies it. If you want a more concentrated bronzer or contour, then you can use a smaller brush, and I'll show you guys that after I use this. And it's honestly just so fun to rub against your face. It's the softest thing. I want to grab a darker color to add more of a, you know, a sculpted look. So I'm grabbing this Pure Sculptor palette. Make sure you're blending upwards. With this brush, it's super easy. All you need to do is go in like little circles like this, and it's so easy to blend out colors. I'm also going to add a bit of color here on the temples of my forehead, contouring the sides of my nose, oh so slightly, adding a bit of shadows to it, just so it kind of like, you know, goes with the overall contoured look. It's always good to carry a blush with you that goes with basically any look. So something that I've been using a lot is this blush by 100% Pure, and I've been using this blush like every day. As you guys can tell, like it's getting a little messy. To apply my blush, I'm going to be using this dual fiber brush that comes in the box. I love this because since it's dual fibered, it applies the blush in a way that's kind of natural. It's like coming from your own skin. It's not just applied. Focusing this really on the center of my face because that's where I want this color to be. Like I want this to look like, you know, I'm like blushing a little bit. It's my own color. It's getting a little hot. Maybe I'm sweating. My blood vessels are dilating. What kind of makeup tutorial is this? I just like love like the shape of this brush. It's like so fat. I know I'm like saying fat a lot, and like fat isn't like a good word to use like in general when you're describing things, but when it comes to brushes, if it's fat, it's a good brush. Next, I'm going to work on my eyebrows. So another brush you can find in this box is this small little angled brush, and I'm going to be using this to apply some powder on my eyebrows. So one brow powder that I've been using a lot is by Mellow Cosmetics. This is their Mocha one. So I'm just grabbing the darker shade with this angled brush, and I'm gonna add that right here to the corner of my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna use this to create the shape that I want, and I'm gonna slightly bring it into the center. I'll even add like a little bit of this lighter color so it's not super harsh up front. If you have like bushier brows, it's always nice to go through them with a spoolie. All you do is just brush through them, and depending on where your hairs go, you could fill in any gaps. And since this is small and then this brush is small, it's just super easy to travel with. So like I could literally do this like anywhere. Not driving though, don't fill in your brows and drive. And to set my brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel, and then this is in Caramel. And this will just ensure that my brows aren't flying all over the place. I mean, just kidding, like I don't have huge, long brow hairs, but if I did, this would keep them in place. I'm gonna add a lip color just because my lips are looking like a little bit pale, but I will usually just add chapstick and I'm done. Also, you guys have probably noticed, but I do have eyelash extensions on, which makes doing makeup so much faster and so much easier when you do decide to travel, because you don't have to worry about mascara. If it's super hot, you don't have to worry about it smudging underneath your eye, which is the most annoying thing ever. I do have a video on how I applied these, so I'll have that up above. Supplies themselves cost like $20, and then you could like do your lashes like 2 or 3 times, so it's super worth it. Go check out that video if you want to. Okay, and for my lips, like I've said multiple times throughout this video, I want to keep it simple, so I'm going to start off by adding some lip balm. Don't add a color with chapped lips. Bad thing, been there, done that, not a good look. So I'm gonna add this chapstick, it's by Hoorah, and then I'm gonna go in with this color. This is a lip pencil by ColourPop. This color is Brink. Oh, it's so much more smooth to apply when your lips are all moisturized. Alright you guys, and that is it. Actually, wait. Sometimes I like to look a little bit extra. I'm gonna add a bit of highlighter. This is also by ColourPop, and this is their like highlighter wisp, and I'm grabbing this more compacted smudge brush, and I'm using it because like since it's so dense, it'll be really nice to apply like a very concentrated highlight right here on the sides of my nose. Alright guys, and that is it with the makeup. It is so simple, I kid you not. But now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm going to show you guys what I usually do with my hair. There you go. I don't do anything with my hair when I travel, nothing in particular. I don't do like braids or anything. I like 90% of the time travel with my hair down, and I think it's because like when I lay down, there's nothing in the way, like no braids or anything. So this is a really go-to hairstyle for me, I guess you can say. Something I also love to bring and travel with are headbands. If you have like greasy hair days like myself, can't really tell because hello, headband. Outfit is super easy. I will try to wear the comfiest thing that I can bring. I love wearing yoga pants. My like Lululemons are like literally the comfiest things of all time. I just like can stretch in them, do multiple things that are not possible in jeans. For me. Something I also love to do is like have a comfortable short sleeve or long sleeve, like depending on how cold it is, how hot. I would much rather travel with a short sleeve because like if it gets too hot, you can just take off your jacket and then you're good to go. I love wearing denim jackets. This one is by Free People. It has a huge star in the back because I am a star. Yeah, this is super comfy. I got this at I think Foreign Exchange or Buffalo Exchange. It's like some thrift store that's in LA. I don't know. I just added hoop earrings for my aesthetic today. I usually don't travel with like things like this just because it's like it gets annoying. I will usually just do studs or something. Always wear a hat. Baseball caps are my go-to. I always wear sandals. The sandals I have are by the brand Flowhouse. These are the sandals I usually travel with. They're just plain black and they go with everything. I'm a huge sandal person, so I always wear these. Alright you guys, and that was the finished makeup look, hair, outfit. You want a quick and easy look, I know. I'm so excited that this box is finally out and that you guys can get it yourself. If you guys want to get it and want to get more details on like the items that are in it, you can go to equaltools.com. I will put the link down below so you guys can get it yourself and support your favorite Mandarin. That is it. Have safe travels, have a super fun summer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!